Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming your Google business profile and verifying ownership. This unlocks the tools you need. Once done, update contact details, hours, and select precise categories so Google understands your intent. Upload 3-5 sharp photos and a logo. Images increase clicks. Then write a concise description with your primary keyword in the first 2 sentences. This combination gets you indexed quickly, so your business can appear in local searches and maps. Now move to active content and tracking. Next, you keep momentum with recurring content. Post weekly on your profile, promotions, events, product updates, with a clear call to action. Meanwhile, create localized landing pages and add schema markup so search engines map intent to location. Make sure your NAP, name, address, phone, is identical across directories to avoid fragmentation. Encourage customer reviews and respond within 48 hours. Mentioning relevant services naturally in replies signals relevance. Together, finally, measure and scale. Link Google Analytics and use UTM tags so you know which posts and ads produce calls or direction requests. Once you see conversions, invest in local search ads and test 1 to 2 creatives weekly to improve cost per lead. Make data-driven adjustments to offers and hours based on peak queries. If something breaks, check for duplicate listings, wrong categories, or pending verification. Those are the usual culprits. Fixing them restores ranking and tracking quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.